Image transfer. Image transfer is a wonderful art of transferring your favorite pictures or chosen images on different surfaces. It results in a look as if the image is printed on the surface. The process is simple, interesting, and gives a wonderful effect, creating personalized products and gifts in a jiffy. Various techniques has been used by different artists for decades to transform ordinary objects into pieces of delightful art. Some artists use chemicals to transfer images taken from magazines and other printed matter onto their canvas or artwork. Also, many artists use an acrylic medium to transfer photocopies to their canvas. Images can be transferred onto surfaces such as wooden disc, canvas, cloth, glass bottles, etc. of different shapes and sizes. The process can be done on wooden panels to create lovely backgrounds or decorations as you please. In this structured, module based 20 hours course, we teach you how to transfer the desired image on any surface without using many materials and create a beautiful product. All through the course, we also share learned tips and tricks to make your image transfer work interesting and productive, and a set of do's and don'ts to keep you on the right track. So, go ahead and transfer your creativity into art.